The cha-cha-cha. Thank you. Here's your second dance, the rumba.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to stay, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull it right. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all.
Thank you so much, dancers. So here's your third and final dance, the jive.
Jack is back and he's on top. Walk, 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 a-doo-ba-doo-dah. Watch the girls, see how they drop. See how they rock.
Thank you so much, dancers. Let's welcome 115, 148, 150, 174, 228,